Welcome back to Blazin Tech. We got another video here. We will be installing Zoom on this video tutorial. So let's go ahead and click on Google Chrome. Type in Zoom. Click on Downloads Center Zoom. Go in and click Download. Hit Save. Run Zoom package. Click Continue. Install. We close it. We'll go ahead and move it to trash because we really don't need that file no longer. Zoom would like to access your files in your downloads folder. Hit OK. Sign in. I'd like to access the microphone. OK. Okay, guys, this completes this video tutorial. So let's go ahead. If you have any comments or questions, please comment down below. If you haven't not subscribed to this channel, please do so now. Also, if you haven't turned on any post notification, you should, because you won't miss another video of ours. We will see you on the next video. So peace out.